Welcome to HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about HTML editors and we will see the installation of tools. Let's get started. First, we will see some of the HTML editors. The first one is Notepad++, and this is the link to download Notepad++, and it is the most commonly used editor among all the developers. The second one is Sublime Text, and this is the link to download the Sublime Text Editor, and it is available for Windows, Linux and Mac. The third one is Komodo Edit, and this is the link to download this editor. And finally we have Visual Studio Code, and this is the link to download Visual Studio Code editor. These are all some of the common HTML editors. Now we will see what are all the tools I am using throughout this course. Creating HTML document is easy and we need only two things to begin coding. One is the text editor and second one is the web browser. I will be using Visual Studio Code as the text editor, and for browser I am using Google Chrome. I am choosing this because both will provide wonderful development experience. I am using Windows machine, and to find Chrome, go to Start and then type Chrome. If you don't find it, please try to install it from the official Chrome website. To download and install Visual Studio Code, go to Google and type Download Visual Studio Code for Windows, and when you click Enter, you will find the official Visual Studio website. And open that link, you will get the options to download for Windows, Linux and Mac. Now I am clicking the Windows link and see the Visual Studio Code executable is getting downloaded. We will install it once the download is done. Now the download is done, and to install it, just try to launch the installer and you will get the license agreement. Just accept the agreement and click on Next to proceed with the installation. Here the default path is taken. If it is okay, you can proceed, or else you can change the location wherever you like. And at the end, click Install to install the software. Now the Visual Studio Code installation is completed, so click on Finish. And this is the Visual Studio Code editor. Let's start coding. That's all about the installation of Visual Studio Code. In the next video, we will see about HTML page structure. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.